Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Nothing beats a warm, comforting dish that comes together with minimal effort. This gnocchi and tomato bake is the kind of meal that feels homemade but doesn't demand hours in the kitchen. Pillowy gnocchi, rich tomato sauce, and bubbly cheese create a dish that's hard to resist, whether it's a weeknight dinner or a casual gathering. It's versatile, forgiving, and packed with flavor. You can customize it with herbs, greens, or extra protein if you like. Best of all, it bakes in one pan, so cleanup is just as easy as the prep. Let's get started. What is gnocchi and tomato bake? Gnocchi and tomato bake is a rustic Italian-inspired dish that combines pillowy potato dumplings with a rich, tangy tomato sauce, all baked under a golden layer of melted cheese. It's the kind of meal that satisfies deeply, hearty yet simple, with a balance of creamy, savory, and slightly sweet flavors. While traditional gnocchi hails from Italy, this baked version takes inspiration from casseroles and American comfort food. The result: a dish that's cozy enough for family dinners but impressive enough to serve guests. Key ingredients. The magic lies in a handful of simple components. Gnocchi. Soft, potato-based dumplings that soak up the sauce while keeping their shape. Tomato sauce. A robust base, often blended with garlic, herbs, or a splash of cream for richness. Cheese. Mozzarella or a mix of Parmesan and Fontina adds gooey texture and salty depth. Herbs and spices. Basil, oregano, or red pepper flakes brighten the dish. Flavor and texture. Imagine tender gnocchi simmered in a velvety tomato sauce, each bite coated in savory sweet notes. The cheese crisps on top while staying molten underneath, creating layers of contrast. It's creamy without being heavy, and the tomato's acidity keeps everything balanced. This dish works because it's adaptable. Swap in roasted garlic, spinach, or crispy pancetta to make it yours. Whether you're craving comfort or need a fail-safe crowd pleaser, this bake delivers every time. Essential ingredients for the perfect gnocchi and tomato bake. The beauty of a gnocchi and tomato bake lies in its simplicity, but the right ingredients make all the difference. Whether you're using store-bought staples or homemade touches, each component should work together to create a dish that's rich, comforting, and full of flavor. Here's what you need to nail it. Choosing the right gnocchi. Gnocchi are the star of this dish, so picking the right type matters. Most grocery stores carry two main varieties. Potato gnocchi. The classic choice, with a soft, pillowy texture that soaks up sauce without falling apart. Look for brands with minimal ingredients, potatoes, flour, salt, for the best flavor. Gluten-free gnocchi. Made with rice flour or cassava starch, these work well if you avoid gluten. Just check the texture. Some can turn gummy, so baking helps firm them up. Homemade gnocchi. Even better. Lightly dust them with flour before baking to prevent sticking. Whether you buy or make them, avoid overcooking, they'll soften further in the oven. Selecting the best tomatoes. Tomatoes bring sweetness and acidity to balance the dish. Your options. Canned crushed tomatoes. Reliable and consistent, with deep flavor. Opt for San Marzano for a naturally sweeter taste. Fresh tomatoes. Great in summer. Roast cherry tomatoes or blend ripe heirlooms into a quick sauce. Sun-dried tomatoes. For an intense, umami kick, chop a handful and mix them into the sauce. If time's short, a high-quality jarred marinara works too. Just taste it first. If it's too tart, a pinch of sugar or a splash of cream can mellow it out. Cheese and other key additions. Cheese pulls everything together, but don't stop there. Here's what to consider. Mozzarella. Melts beautifully for that stretchy, golden top. Fresh mozzarella adds creaminess, while low moisture shreds crisp up nicely. Parmesan. For salty depth, grate it over the top before baking. Vegan Parmesan works just as well. Ricotta. Dollop spoonfuls between layers for extra richness. Don't forget extras like garlic, basil, or red pepper flakes. Spinach, roasted eggplant, or crispy pancetta can turn this into a heartier meal. The goal. Layer flavors for a bake that's anything but boring. Step-by-step cooking instructions. Now that you've got the ingredients ready, let's turn them into that bubbly, flavorful gnocchi and tomato bake. The process is straightforward. Cook the gnocchi, whip up the sauce, layer everything together, and let the oven do the rest. Preparing the gnocchi. Boil salted water in a large pot. Just like pasta, gnocchi need seasoned water to taste their best. Cook the gnocchi for about 2 minutes or until they float to the top. They'll finish cooking in the oven, so err on the side of slightly underdone. Drain gently and toss with a drizzle of olive oil to prevent sticking. Tip. If using shelf-stable gnocchi, no boiling needed, skip this step and add them directly to the sauce. They'll soak up flavor as they bake. Making the tomato sauce. While the gnocchi cook, start the sauce. Sauté aromatics. In a large skillet, heat olive oil over medium heat. Add minced garlic and a pinch of red pepper flakes, stirring until fragrant, about 1 minute. Add tomatoes. Pour in crushed tomatoes or marinara, stirring to combine. Simmer for 5 minutes to let flavors meld. Season. Stir in salt, black pepper, and a teaspoon of dried basil or oregano. For extra richness, add a splash of cream or a handful of grated Parmesan. Keep the sauce slightly loose, it will thicken in the oven. Taste and adjust seasoning before assembling. That's it for part 1. We've got all our ingredients ready, and now it's time to bring everything together. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll finish off this creamy gnocchi and tomato bake and pop it into the oven. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.